I'm Tom, and today I'm going to show you how to use headings and titles in your Google Doc. First thing, we have our Google Doc and we have a title here, but we can change it from normal text to title and then center it. Now, when we click on the outline, it will show up. Next, we'll add our next section, which will be Google Docs. And I'm going to make this heading 1. And now you can see that it shows up here. Every time you add a new section, you can create it. You can use heading 1 or any of the headings to have it show up in the outline, and that makes it much easier to move around the document. Good luck organizing your docs.